Left side keep heading. Properties of rectangle. Keep heading. Properties of rectangle. Already I have given overview about all quadrilateral family. What is rectangle? Rectangle is the parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degree. Already each and every family I have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about properties. Keep heading. Properties of rectangle. Left side keep heading. Properties of rectangle. Properties of rectangle. Again, I am repeating students, already we have discussed each and every quadrilateral family. Now we are discussing only properties, right? What is right side? First draw this figure. Draw figure with the help of pencil. Don't use pen. Draw this figure right side. Properties of rectangle. Properties of rectangle. Properties of rectangle. Properties of rectangle. What is first property? Opposite sides are equal or not equal? What is properties of rectangle? First property, opposite sides yeah, draw this figure. ABCD, this is called labeling. ABCD. Next, join two opposite vertices, that is called diagonal. When we are joining two opposite vertices, that is called diagonals. A is vertex, C is vertex, both are opposite. Yeah. One cross line and two cross line. Don't keep everywhere two cross line. One cross line means length is equal and width is equal, right? First property, opposite sides are equal and parallel. First property, opposite sides. First property, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. In this figure, you are observing students, length AB is opposite to DC, length AD is opposite to length BC, and AB is parallel to DC, and AD is parallel to BC. On the bracket, note down. AB is equal to, length AB is equal to DC, comma, AD is equal to, AD is equal to BC, and AB is parallel to DC, AB is parallel to DC. This is a symbol of parallel line. Two vertical line symbol is called parallel line symbol. AB is parallel to DC, comma, AD is parallel to BC. This is the first property of rectangle. Second property, each angle is right angle. each angle is right angle. Right angle means which degree? How many degree? 90 degree. Each angle is right angle. Means I can say angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Slanting L is called angle symbol. Slanting L, don't say that is LA, LB, that is angle symbol, right? Each angle is right angle. Yes. Third property, diagonals are equal. 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 Diagonals are equal. What is the meaning of diagonals? When we are joining two opposite vertices, that is called diagonal. What is the meaning of vertex? When two or more than two lines are meeting at one point, that point is called common initial point or vertex. So you are observing here, this is A. Point A is called vertex. A is opposite to C. When we are joining these two opposite vertices, that is called diagonal. Diagonals are equal. In this figure, you are observing, student, AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Fourth property and last property, if diagonals are equal, then segment of diagonals also will be equal. Note down. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonal bisects each other. Means I can say AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. We can write here OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Note down very clearly, everyone. I hope, students, there is no doubt in this properties of rectangles. First property, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Each angle is right angle. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. If diagonal is bisecting each other, then I can say the segment of diagonal will be equal. Next key heading, square. Then after square, we'll solve so many questions. Key heading, square. Already I have explained quadrilateral family. What is quadrilateral? What is parallelogram? Trapezium, kite. After that, types of parallelogram, rectangle, square, and rhombus. Now we are discussing here only properties of parallelograms. Just now we have completed properties of rectangles. Now I am going to explain properties of square. Right side, draw this figure. Draw this figure right side, everyone. Yes. Now down first property, all sides are equal. First property, all sides are equal. First property, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. On the bracket now down. AB is equal to BC. Don't write small letter, write in capital letter. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Second property, each angle is right angle. Each angle is right angle. I can say angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Third property, diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. What is diagonal here? AC and BD. AC is equal to BD. Fourth and last property, diagonal bisect. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. All sides are equal. Each angle is right angle. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Note down example first. The diagonals of rectangle. The diagonals of rectangle ABCD. Example first. Example first. The diagonals of rectangle the diagonals of a rectangle ABCD, write ABCD capital letter, don't write small letter. The diagonals of rectangle ABCD meet at O, not 0, this is O. If angle BOC is equal to, if angle BOC is equal to 44 degree, find angle OAD. Find angle OAD. Very interesting question and very easy question. Draw this figure. In this question, he has given diagonal of rectangle, means figure is rectangle. Angle length AB, BC, CD and DA. Yes, this is point O. Now in this question, he has given the diagonals of rectangle ABCD meet at point O. Very good. If angle BOC is equal to 44 degree, angle BOC, this angle he has given 44 degree. Then it is asking find OAD. OAD, this angle. Okay. Very easy question. Firstly, I am doing this. I am assuming this is angle 1. This is angle 2. And this is angle 3. Means I want to find out angle 3, right? Yes. First, concentrate here, student. In this sphere, we are observing angle BOC plus angle BOA. This two angle is forming linear pair angle. Note down, angle BOC plus angle BOA is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair angle. 44 and this angle is forming linear pair angle. Linear pair. Now angle BOC, already he has given 44 degree plus angle BOA I want to find out is equal to 180 degree. Angle BOA is equal to 180 degree minus 44 degree is equal to 6, 3, 136, 136 degree, right? And we know property of diagonal, property of rectangle, diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. I can say OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OB. If diagonals are equal, then that adjacent angle also will be equal. angle 1 is equal to angle C. First note down. OA is equal to OB. Why? Diagonals are equal. If diagonals are equal, then segment of diagonal also will be equal. Then we can write here diagonals are equal and bisect each other each other. If diagonals are equal bisecting each other, then segment of diagonals will be equal. Then if segment of diagonals are equal, then I can say that adjacent angle will be equal. I can say here, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If a segment of diagonals are equal, means if length are equal, then we can say that angle also will be equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now I want to find out angle BO. Sorry, I want to find out angle BOA. Angle BOA. BO we got it. What angle? 136 degree. Now note down angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOA is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property of triangle. I'm talking about angle BOA. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOA is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property. Now already I know angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Means in the place of angle 2, I can write angle 1. Yeah, in the place of angle 1, I can write angle 2. In the place of angle 2, I can write angle 1. Already he has given angle 1 as it is. Angle 2 is equal to angle 1. Angle BOA already we got 136 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now angle 1 plus angle 1 to angle 1. 2 angle 1 is equal to 2 angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 136 degree. 2 angle 1 is equal to 44 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 44 degree divided by 2 is equal to 22 degree. Angle 1 has come 22 degree. Yes. But I want to find out angle 3. How to find angle 3? Already we know very well complete angle A. Complete angle A is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Continue. Angle A is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle A is equal to complete angle A is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. And already we know in rectangle each angle is 90 degree. Means angle A, in the place of angle A I want to substitute 90 degree is equal to angle 1 is 22 degree. I can get angle 3. Angle 3 is equal to 90 degree minus 22 degree. Angle 3 is equal to 60 degree. Means so angle OAD is equal to 68 degree. So angle OAD is equal to 68 degree. Note down everyone.